I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a grievance. First, it's crucial to understand what a grievance is within your specific workplace or organization. Next, pinpoint the exact policy or contractual agreement that you believe has been violated. Finally, meticulously gather all supporting documentation, such as emails, memos, dates, times, and any potential witness statements, to build a strong case for your claim. Once you have gathered your information, it is time to formalize your grievance. Carefully follow the established procedure outlined in your collective bargaining agreement or company policy. Ensure all required forms are completed accurately and submitted within the specified timeframes, which are often quite strict. Clearly articulate the specific resolution or remedy you are seeking to address the issue at hand. When it's time to present your case, prepare a concise and factual summary of your grievance. Focus on the key points and supporting evidence. Be ready to discuss your documentation and answer any questions calmly and professionally. If your agreement allows, consider bringing a union representative or a trusted colleague for support and to help articulate your position effectively. After your initial presentation, understand the potential next steps, which might include mediation or even arbitration. Be prepared for further discussions and, if necessary, an appeals process. Throughout this entire journey, it is vital to maintain detailed records of all communications, meetings, and decisions made. This meticulous record keeping will be invaluable for any subsequent actions or reviews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.